Welcome back to Your Home Garage, where we focus on maintaining and fixing your vehicles. And in today's video, it's going to be all about the basics of the car wash. So if you're an advanced detailer and you like using power washers, foam cannons, and even touchless drying systems, this video is not for you. But if you're just getting started and you're unsure what products to use, what some of the best techniques are out there to wash your car effectively, this video will be. Now, we're not going to wash this vehicle today. We're actually going to focus on that Honda Odyssey. So let me show you what we're going to be working with. So I just ended up getting back from a drive down a gravel path, and as you can see, there's lots of bug guts over there all over the place. Headlights are pretty filthy, fenders, lots of dust on those wheels that we're going to get off all along the underbody here. Look at those back wheels, and look at the back here. So we're going to wash all that off with some basic hand techniques. Let me show you what products we're going to be using. So here's a view of all the cleaning items that we're going to be using today. And to purchase all these items, it was actually just slightly less than $50. That's in Canadian at the time of this shoot. So not a huge investment and not a lot of products to get started on your car cleaning adventure. And then you can kind of build on your product list from here. So the first thing to keep in mind is you never want to wash your vehicle under direct sunlight or under extreme heat. That's going to cause you a lot of issues. Today is a perfect day. It's slightly overcast. The car is cool to the touch. So excellent time to get all that dirt and grime off of that vehicle. Inside of each one of our buckets, let's take a closer look. This is what I call my wheel bucket. So I've got various wheel woolies, scrub brushes to help with the cleaning process. Up here, now I'm not promoting any of these particular brands, right? You use whatever brands you're comfortable with. It's more about the process in this particular video. So over here, we've got a wheel care, which is basically a rim cleaner. It's going to help with brake dust. We've got a tire foam afterwards. That's going to give us a nice finish on our tires. When we're done, a quality soap or shampoo, that's going to help with our washing process. One of the things to keep in mind is never use a kitchen soap or a dish soap that's a degreaser. That's going to be incredibly harmful to your clear coat and your paint. It's meant for the kitchen. Get something that's meant for your vehicle. In terms of the drying process, I like using these absorber cloths. I just find they work incredibly well. In our 2-bucket system over here, let's start off with this one here first. This is going to be our wash bucket, and what we have is a microfiber cloth. It has 2 sides to it because I'm going to keep flipping this over all the time, and it has the deep pills to trap in that dirt. So when we go to our rinse bucket, we'll be able to scrub it into our grit guard, which you can see here, and that's going to trap all that dirt so it doesn't get back onto our vehicle. Now, when you're washing your vehicle, one of the things, or a couple of things to really keep in mind, is you're always going to start off with the tires first. That's the dirtiest part of the vehicle. And you're not going to want to do that last because it's going to spill off into your, or spill over onto your clean body. So you don't want that. So it's wheels first. Second part is you're going to want to divide your vehicle into 2 parts. So the northern part of your vehicle, you're going to clean that first in the entire circumference of that vehicle because it's the least dirty. Then you're going to want to go to the dirtier part of your vehicle and save that for last, right? Because that's the bottom part where you get all the dirt and grime from the tires and in the road. The other thing to keep in mind to reduce the swirls is to always keep in a linear path on your vehicle. So we're actually going to go from the front of the vehicle to the back of the vehicle. The circular motions, that actually ends up trapping all that dirt and grime into your mitt. And what you're going to do is all that swirling action is going to give you swirls in your paint, and we're going to try to avoid that. So let's set up the camera and let's get started. So we're all done. I just put all the gear away, which ultimately means a hose. But take a look at that vehicle. So with some basic hand washing techniques, right, you're going to have a really good car washing experience, and you're going to be able to build on that and keep your car looking as good as new for as long as possible. Now this is a 2008 Honda Odyssey, 260,000 kilometers. Never seen the inside of a garage, but look at the shine on that paint. So if you look at the bug guts, we got them off early. We don't let them cake on because you don't want that on your vehicle. All gone, all on the hood, windshield. Take a look at the tires. I'm still waiting for the tire dressing to dry, but give it a few more minutes in this heat. Take a look at all that dirt that's gone. Remember, you saw that earlier. Here's the back wheel well, all clean. And ultimately, look at the back of that vehicle, all nice and clean. Dirt is all gone. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Again, it was all about hand washing your vehicle, the basics, and getting yourself set up and building on the future. So if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe. And tune in next time to Your Home Garage, where I'm going to go through, believe it or not, the proper way to sit in your vehicle so you don't wreck those seats. So bye for now.